Rosie, what is this billboard of? A billboard of. Wait, stop! Think very carefully about your answer, Rosie. You're going to determine your fate of the entire universe. I don't know, it's likely. What possible for that matter? Of course it's possible. Anything's possible. That's why I want you to be absolutely sure your answer is right. I am absolutely sure. It's a billboard of. Stop, stop, stop. You're gonna kill us all if you say it. Are you drunk? Watch your language. Rosie the Cutie 1995 is watching us. Aye. Of course I'm not drunk. I'm a steam engine. What's on earth will I get drunk on? Fuel? Perhaps my driver put some Lily Lightship's gas on my tank instead of water. Okay, then explain the whole crazy talk. What crazy talk? What crazy talk? My crazy talk about my answer to your question. If I get it wrong, I'm gonna terminate the fate of the entire universe. Blah, blah, blah. Rosie, it's a billboard of Thomas the Tank Engine. Everyone knows that. Are you sure you're not the one who's drunk? What? Of course I'm not drunk. I was gonna answer to your question when you cut me off. Rosie, you're starting to sound pretty crazy right now. Me? Be crazy? Are you out of your mind? Whoa. Calm down, Rosie. It's okay. Don't worry. Just let me give you some ice cream, and you feel good again. I don't need ice cream. If anyone needs ice cream, it's you. Oh, please. I'm just insane. What's you with a problem? Oh yeah, I have a serious problem. I hang out with you, and now it's your craziness.